DeepSeek is shaking up the AI landscape with its revolutionary advantages and significant challenges. First off, its unmatched cost efficiency is a game changer. Developed with minimal investment, DeepSeek's models often outperform giants like ChatGPT, raising eyebrows about the hefty spending of major tech firms. Then there's the open source innovation. By embracing collaboration, DeepSeek democratizes AI, allowing a diverse range of developers to contribute and innovate rapidly. Plus, its technical precision in formal reasoning tasks fills a critical gap in AI capabilities, making it invaluable for complex problem solving. However, it's not all smooth sailing. DeepSeek faces serious scrutiny over security and privacy issues, with several countries banning its use in government systems due to potential risks. The rise of DeepSeek has also led to a surge in cyber threats, as criminals exploit its popularity for phishing scams and malware. In this competitive landscape, models like Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 Max and Meta's Llama 3.1 are pushing the envelope, each vying for dominance. DeepSeek's journey is a fascinating blend of innovation and caution, shaping the future of technology in profound ways.